Hi, I'm Pratik Naik, and this is the art and business of high-end retouching. In this course, essentially we start from the conception of idea from a high-end photograph with photographer Felix Kunz, who's an amazing fashion photographer in the industry.
That's beautiful. And let's try the same with, yes, good, catching that light.
It is also important that you noted that when the chin is higher, you can see much more light in the eyes.
Yeah.
And I think that's much better for post-production, because with post-production, you don't want to be rescuing shadows in the eyes just to illuminate it. You want to do it now. From there, we take the photograph and start by analyzing what you need to do as a photographer to retouch your images and continue all the way to the end of the final image. If we have pixel peepers here, they're going to be like, please remove every single little strand of hair. I'm not going to do that. Because what happens is, when you take out the things that matter the most, and you keep the things that you don't really see, when you finish everything, these little imperfections become things that add to the perfection. They make it look like you've never even retouched the image. It makes it look unbelievable.
I start tackling an image and then I realize that I spent hours on it, and then I have to do more images. And so being able to really complete an image in a realistic amount of time and in a really step-by-step manner that I can do across the board with all of my images is probably my biggest takeaway.
And we also talk about the business aspects and marketing of retouching.
You know, retouching isn't about just the techniques. It's not even about just the personality. It's about the working relationship, how I get along with the individual photographer. Do I understand his vision? Do I understand, how he's a client? Do I understand his sense of humor? Things like that. That makes the difference.
No matter if you're a photographer or a retoucher, no matter if you shoot portraits, headshots, fashion, or beauty, this course is applicable to anybody, because the techniques you learn in this course and the workflow provided allow you to take your images from start to finish, no matter what it is that you shoot. So if you want to uncover the world of high-end retouching, this course is for you.